Hello there, welcome back to TJ's China Homestead. My name is Terry. I'm going to show you a quick little video on some recycle, reuse, and repurpose. What I have here is a Coffee Mate creamer bottle. I've got it all washed out and dry. Been letting it dry for a few days. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can reuse these. All you need is a pair of scissors. We're going to take this plastic cover off. And I'm going to try anyway. All right. Get in there. Okay. Let me get a knife, see if that'll work better. Getting this off, okay. Just tear this off best you can without punching a hole in your container. Now, we used to throw a lot of these away, but not anymore. I like the clear ones so you can see through them real good. They've got some you can't see through, but I prefer these clear ones. See how that's clear? Now, instead of throwing these away, which I used to do, you can use these to put, like, if you have just a little bit of dried rice, you can put dried rice in here. You can put small pieces of candy in here. Anything that's dry that you want to see when you're looking for it. I'll show you what we did with the last one that we had. Last one, we had candy corn. My granddaughter likes candy corn. I like candy corn. Who doesn't like candy corn? And I keep this in the cabinet, and when she's looking for it, she don't have to worry. She can just grab the thing, pop it open, get her a cup of candy corn. And there you go. A quick little video on recycling, repurpose, and reuse. Please like and comment on my video. And, please subscribe also. So tell me what you think in the comments and give it a try. You'll be surprised. So bye. Have a great day.